Hi, Lorenzo Vignati here. Thanks for tuning in to another key findings recap, this time focusing on Investment Trends 2023 US Online Investing Report. In its 14th year, this report is the most extensive study of retail online investors in the US, where we examine the complete spectrum of DIY investing activity. In the last 12 months, 11.4 million American adults placed online trades on stocks and ETFs. The US online investor market is the largest in scale observed by Investment Trends, and for 2 consecutive years, this market has witnessed a rise in investors suspending their trading activities, together with a slowdown in the influx of new investors entering the market. On the global stage, it's noteworthy that although 30% of online investors in the US stopped trading in the past year, some regions experienced a more significant decline, up to 40% in 2023. On a positive note, over half of active online investors reported better investment performance in 2023 compared to the previous year. However, online investors remain bullish on the S&P 500 over the next year. 63% expect to rise versus 28% expect to fall. Switching to online investor demographics, the pandemic saw an influx of younger investors in the market. In the present cohort, while still predominantly younger, they stand out as significantly wealthier than any group seen during the pandemic. In terms of what drove new entrants to start investing, the need to manage their retirement savings and desire to learn a new skill were just some of the reasons. If we then look to how online investors prefer to receive guidance on making investment decisions, 1 in 2 investors seek interactions from a human financial advisor. While the demand for financial advice among online investors is on the rise, the current landscape reveals that more than 80% still have unmet advice needs of some description. This underscores a need for support across all investor segments, with both human and digital sources having a role to play. In conclusion, there are some key takeaways from these findings for brokerages to really focus on their offering and create a distinctive proposition with tailored content that caters to the needs of the entire investor base. That's all from me. As always, if you'd like more information on our 2023 US Online Investing Report, please feel free to get in touch.